Hello everyone. I'm Lily. Welcome to subscribe to my channel. This channel shares quality technology sharing. The recommendation area on the top right of the video, where the letter I flashes, and the video description area. There are more quality technology videos. You can click to view this video share. Find the fastest public DNS server. Namebench is a free tool that helps you speed up your web browsing. Developed as a 20% project at Google, Namebench works by hunting down the fastest DNS server based on your location and browsing history. Several factors impact your web browsing speeds, and domain name resolution is the first link in that chain. Domain resolution, in a nutshell, is the process of converting web addresses like google.com or groovypost.com into IP addresses. This process is handled by a domain name service (DNS) server. By default, you'll use a DNS server set up by your ISP. But as we've explained previously, there are often faster alternatives, such as OpenDNS and Google Public DNS. OpenDNS and Google Public DNS might be faster for you. But what Namebench can do is definitively tell you which name server is fastest for you and by how much. It has a graphical user interface for Windows, Mac OS X, and Unix. There's also a command line interface. Installation is a breeze. For Windows, Namebench is a portable executable. When you fire up Namebench, practically everything you need will already be filled in. It'll guess your router's IP address in the first text box and in most cases, you won't have to make any changes. Include global DNS providers, Google Public DNS, OpenDNS, UltraDNS, etc. It's a good idea to include the global DNS providers, because these are the alternatives that we so often recommend for speed, security, and reliability. Include best available regional DNS services. As for the regional DNS services, there are pros and cons to this option. Your ISP's DNS server will likely fall into this category, and in some cases, it may be the fastest. But Namebench may also pick up other regional name servers that aren't meant to be public. Include censorship checks. You also have the option to include censorship checks. This will throw in some frequently blocked sites to see if the DNS server restricts access to them. This is good to know. There's no point in choosing a fast DNS server if your favorite websites are blocked. Upload and share your anonymized results. Help speed up the internet. You know the drill on this one. Help the developers out by letting them collect data or don't. It doesn't affect the performance or outcome of the tool whether you opt in or out. Your location. Self-explanatory. Health check performance. I'd leave it at fast unless you have an unstable connection. Query data source. This option lets you choose which websites to query. The best option is your preferred browser. For example, if you choose Chrome, Namebench will query a random sampling of the domains you visited and run its test against those. This gives you a more personalized readout since it's querying against sites you actually visit. If you'd rather not have Namebench access your browser history, or if you always browse incognito, then you can choose to query Alexa's top 2,000 websites instead. This is a more anonymous approach, but it'll give you less personalized results. You can also change the number of queries. The default 250 gives you a good data set. For me, it took about 5 to 10 minutes for the test to complete. As you can see from the test results, the DNS currently in use is the fastest DNS. The suggested DNS is also available in the upper right corner. Next, you can change your computer to the DNS recommended by namebench. Tested DNS in different zones. Different carriers and zones. The test results are completely different. Verified. The test results are very accurate. So if you feel that the loading speed of your web pages is not very good, you can try using namebench to find out which DNS is best for you. If you like this video, please click the like button. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on little bells. You will receive notifications when new videos are uploaded. Next video. See you soon.